Good morning guys, we are here in Gurgaon today. We are going to Uttarakhand to a place called Kortdwar. We're going to stay in a homestay called Jack Pahadi and just getting ready. Our bags are almost packed. This is my camera bag. This is the Optimus by Rynox. It's given to me by Akshay. I'm going to use it for the first time. It's a tank bag and if I like it I'll probably buy it. I'm just getting ready. I'll just keep all my laptop, camera, everything packed inside. Our other bags are ready. As you can see, Kanika is also ready and she's getting our saddle bags ready. Helmets and everything is good to go. We are almost ready to leave and we are leaving in about 5 minutes once we are packed with this whole stuff. I get my battery for charging. I forgot to charge it. So ये charge होने के बाद we're gonna go. So when it comes to gears for my bike, I start with saddling up. I use my saddle bags for my main luggage. So you can see on the side of the bike, these are the saddle bags. They are the Rynox saddle bags that I purchased. And then I cover them up with some raincoat covers in case we get caught on the way, and even from dust. They do a pretty good job to cover them from both. On the tank, I have put a Optimus bag. Optimus tank bag. It's not mine, it belongs to my friend Akshay. He has given it to me for this trip. I really like it because it holds all my cameras and laptop and drone. Everything comes in it and it's pretty handy. So when I come back I'll probably buy the same for myself. When it comes to gears on myself, I wear a Rynox Air GT3 and so is Kanika. And we always make sure we wear gloves, we wear knee pads and shoes, helmet, and at the back I have put an extension to the seat. That's where I keep a lot of my extra luggage. During the Ladakh trip I had kept the tent and extra food. For this trip we are keeping the tripod, gimbal, and as you can see the selfie stick. So it looks like we are good to go. We're all set. And yeah, let's start the bike and head out. But before that, I'm gonna turn on Google Maps. Alright, battery saver mode is on. Let's go for Google Maps. Put in Jack Pahadi Homestay. And it's showing around 6 hours of time. So 6.5 hours. So not that bad. Alright, so yeah, here we go. So also an amazing thing is the Optimus bag has a little pouch in the front that is transparent, so you can keep your phone there and use it for directions. Because before I used to use a little phone holder that used to be on the stand, it broke, but now I can use the bag for my phone holder as well, and it does a pretty good job. Alright, so here we are, all saddled up, all geared up, and we are good to go. Another thing I forgot to mention, we also wear some ski mask to protect our hair and face from all the dust. Alright, here we go. So when the bike is fully saddled up, it's hard to get on with all the gear that we're wearing, but we got used to it, so did Kanika. And there we go, our trip to Mastkhal, Jack Pahadi Homestay is about to begin. So we are out of UP and we have reached Uttarakhand. We have just entered and the mountains have begun and we have another 50 kilometers left to go. We're super duper excited. As Kanika told, this is better than Himachal. And I hope it's true. So let me take you on a ride now. So around 7 o'clock in the evening, we came on a really high altitude and we were crossing the clouds and there was a lot of fog, and we didn't shoot video over there, but it was really difficult to ride because it was my mistake partially, because I have fog lights on my bike, but I forgot to put a yellow cap, a yellow filter you need to put on those lights, so the light cuts through the fog, and I just forgot to bring it on the trip along with me. So it was for half an hour or 45 minutes we had to ride through the fog. It was pretty intense, it was difficult, but we got through it safe and sound. So how do you get to the homestay? You find first the Rishabh clinic. You find this entrance. Okay. Take the entrance. Just go down. So I couldn't show this place. I couldn't show this entry last night because we reached a bit late because we stopped to film everywhere. But I can show you now. So that's the entry. You can't get your bike over here. It's a bit risky and there are steps in front. So I don't think it's a very good idea. But you can get all our bags and just start walking. It's quite near. There's Kanika waiting for us. Say hi. यहाँ से जब आप आते हो तो बस आपको ये ब्यूटीफुल सा व्यू देखने को मिलता है. That's the same view you get to see from your room. Unfortunately, I didn't get to show the Marona वाला part. आराम से देखो. चलो. धनिया. ये रहा हमारा होम स्टे. ये लेमन है. हाँ ये माल्टा है. So we're staying on the first floor. ठीक है चले. And that's Bali. Bali.
Hi Bali.